Let's talk about the benefits of ductless air conditioners and why they're a great cooling system for some homes. The basics. A ductless air conditioner is one that isn't connected to heating ducts and vents and doesn't rely on them to distribute cold air throughout your house. Ductless systems are common in homes that don't have forced air heating, like homes that are heated with a boiler system, for example. They're also commonly used as a supplementary cooling system for older homes or homes with a third floor, in which the third level may not be cooled sufficiently with just a central air conditioner. Ductless mini-split systems are also common around the world, particularly in hot climates that don't need heating and where homes usually don't have internal ductwork. So, how do ductless air conditioners work? A ductless system, or mini-split, consists of an outdoor unit that's connected to one or multiple air handlers inside the house that distribute cool air directly into the room. Integrated zoning. One advantage is that this gives you more control over which rooms are being cooled. This can save you money by only cooling a room when needed, like your bedroom at night, without wasting electricity cooling the entire home while you sleep. The downside is it can be expensive and impractical to have cooling heads in every room, and so a ductless system isn't usually ideal for cooling an entire large house. Heating functionality. Another great thing about ductless systems is some models can also provide heat in the winter. Ductless systems are essentially a type of heat pump, which means they can technically be run in reverse even in cold weather. Not all models are capable of this, but for some homes and in certain climates, this can be a feasible heating option for most of the colder months. It's also worth noting that the heating functionality typically becomes less effective in extremely cold temperatures, below about -15 degrees Celsius. So a supplementary heating system may be needed for certain stretches of the winter, depending on where you live. Energy saving. Heat pumps are an extremely energy efficient technology, so depending on local electricity prices, you may save money by relying on a ductless system for most of your heating needs, especially in milder regions like Vancouver. And here's another way ductless air conditioning can save energy and money. There's no energy lost because of leaks in the ductwork. Did you know that some homes can waste up to 20 or 30% of the energy they use heating and cooling the space because of ductwork leaks? Ductless ACs don't use ducts, so this may lead to some additional savings on your utility bills compared to a traditional central system. On a related note, that energy loss also represents an added toll on the environment, so reducing energy use will also make your home more environmentally friendly and reduce your carbon footprint. In fact, many experts consider heat pumps, including ductless mini-split systems, as a key part of helping us meet major climate goals by reducing our reliance on burning fossil fuels for home heating. Final thoughts. A ductless air conditioner can be a good cooling solution for some homes, although for others, a traditional central air conditioning system may make more sense. When also factoring in the heating functionality some mini-split models offer, a ductless system may be a viable heating and cooling option that can save you money on utility bills and reduce your carbon footprint. If you're ready to search for the right ductless AC system for your home, check out our buying guide on our website today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.